In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website with Webflow AI, a powerful tool designed to simplify the web design process. Whether you're building a site for your business or for personal use, this tutorial will guide you step by step, ensuring you can navigate with ease and leverage Webflow AI's capabilities to bring your vision to life. First, start by logging into your Webflow account and navigating to your dashboard. Here, look for the New Site button and give it a click. This is your starting point and opens the door to the exciting journey of web creation. Once you're in, proceed to the second step by selecting the AI Site Builder option. This is a key feature of Webflow AI that helps automate the initial design phase by using intelligent algorithms to streamline the process. As you move forward, you'll need to decide on the nature of your website. Is it a business site or are you creating something for personal use? Making a clear choice here is important as it helps tailor the subsequent options to better fit your needs. After making this choice, you'll be prompted to give your site a name. Think of something that fits with your project and aims to capture the essence of what your website will offer to visitors. Once you have the perfect name, go ahead and click Next. Now comes the part where you describe your business or project. This description is crucial as it guides the AI in understanding the core elements and purpose of your site. Fill in this section thoughtfully and then click Next to proceed. Next, it's time to get creative with the look and feel of your site. Here you'll choose a style that aligns with the image you want to project. Alongside the style, you can pick a primary background, setting the foundational aesthetic of your site. Additionally, you have the freedom to select the voice and tone, which determines the kind of message your site conveys to its visitors. Lastly, choose a primary color that complements your chosen style and ties everything together visually. Once you've made these crucial design decisions, you're all set to click the Generate button. At this point, Webflow AI takes over, generating a core structure based on the inputs you've provided. It's that simple. In just a few clicks, you've created the framework of your website, and there you have it, a straightforward way to build a website using Webflow AI. With its intuitive process and intelligent design assistance, creating a stunning and functional site has never been easier. Remember, as you get more comfortable with the platform, the possibilities for customization and creativity are endless. Thanks for watching and happy designing.